Imagine you're starting a new project. It's exciting, but also a bit overwhelming. You have to plan, organize, and execute everything from scratch. Wouldn't it be great if you could just grab a pre-made template and get started? Well, today we're going to find out if Wrike, the popular project management tool, has project templates. You've probably heard of Wrike. It's a powerful tool that can help you manage your projects more efficiently. But does it offer the convenience of pre-made templates? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly understand what project templates are and why they're so useful. Project templates are essentially pre-designed project plans that you can customize to fit your specific needs. They often include tasks, deadlines, resources, and other essential elements. Using a template can save you a lot of time and effort, as you don't have to start from scratch. Now, let's get to the main question. Does Wrike have project templates? The short answer is yes. Wrike offers a variety of project templates that you can use to kickstart your projects. One of the great things about Wrike's templates is that they're highly customizable. You can easily add, remove, or modify tasks, deadlines, and other elements to fit your specific requirements. This flexibility ensures that you can always create a project plan that's tailored to your unique needs. Wrike also offers a wide range of templates for different types of projects. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign, a software development project, or a creative project, there's likely a template available that can help you get started. To access Wrike's project templates, you'll need to create a Wrike account. Once you're logged in, you can navigate to the Templates section and browse through the available options. You can then select a template and customize it to your liking. Here are some of the key benefits of using Wrike's project templates. Save time. Using a template can help you get started on your project quickly and efficiently. Ensure consistency. Templates can help you maintain consistency across different projects. Improve organization. Templates can help you organize your projects more effectively. Increase productivity. By streamlining the planning and execution process, templates can help you increase productivity. Asterisk. In addition to project templates, Wrike also offers other features that can help you manage your projects more effectively. These features include task management, time tracking, collaboration tools, and reporting. So, if you're looking for a project management tool that offers project templates and a variety of other useful features, Wrike is definitely worth considering. In conclusion, Wrike does indeed have project templates. These templates can be a valuable tool for helping you get started on your projects more quickly and efficiently. With Wrike's customizable templates and other powerful features, you can effectively manage your projects and achieve your goals. So, if you're ready to take your project management to the next level, be sure to check out Wrike and explore its project templates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.